If your Sharp TV turns on but the screen stays black, don't worry. I'll walk you through some quick fixes you can try at home. Let's get started. First, turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall socket. Now, check if your TV has a power button. It might be on the back or under the front panel. If you find it, press and hold it for 30 seconds. If your TV doesn't have a power button, just skip this part. After that, wait for 1 full minute. Then, plug your TV back into the wall and turn it on. If that didn't work, take your remote control and remove the batteries. Press and hold the power button on the remote for 30 seconds. Once you're done, put the batteries back in. Or better yet, replace them with fresh ones in case the old ones were the problem. Next, go to the back of your TV and find the HDMI cable. Unplug it. If you see an extension piece connected to the HDMI, try removing it. These often fail. Plug your device directly into the TV instead. Even if your HDMI cable looks fine, try replacing it with a new one. Also, test a different HDMI port on your TV. If none of the above works, your TV's backlight might be the issue. Here's how to check. Turn on your TV, grab a flashlight, and shine it very close to the screen. Look closely. If you can faintly see images or text, it means the backlight has failed and your TV will need a repair. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share any other tips you know in the comments.